Why are you paying yourself last as the business owner? You are out of order. Welcome to your midweek Say Yes to Profits Power Play. This is your quick and powerful dose of strategy to help you get through your week and continue the momentum of building a profitable business. I am your host, Octavia Conner, your future virtual CFO, tax strategist, and financial business bestie. Today's clip comes straight from our full length episode titled How High Earning Minority Women CEOs Can Build a Cash Reserve with Ease. Now, this clip provides you with the strategy on how to build a cash reserve with ease and pay yourself first because you should be. Watch the clip to learn how. So, step one, establish a cash management system. Now, when we first onboard our CFO clients, we have them establish a cash management system that empowers them to manage their money with ease. How do you expect to have more if you're not managing what you currently have, right? So that's the purpose of the cash management system. Now, this means that they are not reacting to every cash crisis, but are proactively preparing for every business opportunity or scenario. So, your cash management system should have a clear structure, intentional accounts, and automated routines that ensure every dollar has a JOB and every move supports your profitability. Okay? So, at a minimum, your cash management system should include number one, an operating account. This is where your revenue flows in and your expenses flows out of this operating account. Number two, a profit account. This is where you pay your business first, which ensures consistent, increasing, and growing, beautiful looking profit margins. And number three, a tax reserve account. We don't want tax season to catch you off guard, right? So this is the account where you set aside a percentage of your revenue every single month. So those are the three accounts that you should have at a minimum. And here's the thing, this setup isn't about organizing your money, okay? It is about leading your finances like a powerful CEO and not a stressed out hustler. We're not doing that no more, okay? When your system is in place, cash flow becomes clear, right? Decisions become data driven and peace replaces panic. So set up your systems today. Now, let's move to step two. Step two is where we get a little bit more clear. This is where you set clear cash reserve goals. So here's the thing. Let's stop saying, I just want a little cushion. No, ma'am. We don't want a little anything over here. Okay? We want to be intentional. We want to be strategic. We want to operate like the CEO on that level that we are. We want to ensure that we proactively generate a profit with every move that we make. Make sense? If your revenue were to pause tomorrow, meaning no client payments, no new deposits, how long could your business survive without you stressing or sacrificing your sanity? Also, let me ask you another question. How long could you make it without destroying your personal or business credit if no more client payments or deposits were coming in? Does that give you a little fear, right? A little anxiety? Well, this is the purpose of a cash reserve. It's not just about emergencies, you all. It is about empowerment, okay? It gives you the confidence to make bold moves like walk away from that bad client or be able to breathe when times are tough or be able to invest in someone you know you need on your team, hence a CFO, right? So here's the plan. Here's how you establish a clear goal that aligns with your business and that makes sense. And you're not just pulling like a number out of the sky. Okay. So industry standard says 3 to 6 months of the essential business expenses should be a cash reserve goal. Now, Say Yes to Profits recommendation is 6 months to 12 months because 6 months give you peace and 12 months give you power. So let's be honest. When your business has 12 months of cash saved, you're not just stable. Oh no, you're unstoppable. Make sense? So let's calculate your numbers. So I want you to pull out a profit and loss statement from the last 3 to 6 months. All right. And then I want you to clearly identify the bare minimum monthly operating expenses. All right. No fluff, just the essential items. Then I want you to multiply that number by 6 and by 12. Okay. These are your cash reserve goals. So your first step is to achieve the 6-month goal. Then you work diligently to achieve the 12-month goal. Make sense? Okay. Now that you've gotten your number, don't panic. You don't have to save all of this at one time, right? But you do need a plan and a clear target, and you need to know the next best steps for you to get to that next level. And that requires you to know what you need to save in order to have financial breathing room and not feel like you're going to panic if something happens and your cash takes a big dip. Is this making sense? Yes. Let me know in the comments what questions you have. This was just a short clip from our full episode, How High Earning Minority Women CEOs Can Build a Cash Reserve with Ease. If you're ready to stop the feast or famine cycle and start stacking strategic reserves like a powerful CEO that you are, be sure to check out the full episode. You can watch it on YouTube, our website, or listen to it on any of your favorite podcast apps, okay? And if you want to plug the hidden money leaks in your business and start saving more today, I encourage you to download the free guide, Silent Cash Flow Warning Signs Women CEOs Can't Ignore. You can click the link in the show notes, or you can go to sayyesToProfits.com/warning signs. Thank you for watching this quick clip. Until next time, say yes to profits. Toodles. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of the Say Yes to Profits podcast. Now it is time for you to make money moves. Take action based on what you learn. Now see you on the next episode. Say yes to profits. Toodles.